Hello guys, my name is Hari and I am going to start preparing my first tutorial series on Android file structure. This will be an introduction to the course. This lecture introduces you to the course. Basically, I will be teaching you about the Android file structure and how to navigate through the Android file structure using commands, using basic Linux commands. And also at the end of this tutorial, I will be showing you some of the few awesome Android things which I think are awesome. Okay, so let's begin. Here in this tutorial series, I will be using Terminal Emulator. You can download Terminal Emulator from the Android Play Store for basic commands using your Android device. For you need a router device for using the Terminal Emulator. Okay, so let's begin. So go to your Android Play Store and download Terminal Emulator for Android. After downloading Terminal Emulator, click open the Terminal Emulator. Sorry. Okay. After opening Terminal Emulator, you get something like this. So now I am going to introduce you to the Android file structure. Basically, the Android file structure is a Linux file structure. Uh, it's something like a inverted tree with a single root. It starts from the root directory and it branches out, branches again, branches and branches. Okay, so see this. It's a Linux file structure. See, at the top you have the root directory indicated by the slash symbol. See, it's the root directory. Then it branches. Then for the root directory there are many branches. It has a branch called bin, etc, user, var, sbin, etc. So the root directory in Android file structure branches. It has many branches. For the base important branches are bin, etc, user, var and sbin. I will be explaining to you in the later tutorials what are these bin, etc, what are these directories. So the Android file structure is a Linux file structure. It starts from the root directory, then it branches out to bin, etc, user, var and sbin. Now focus on the bin directory. The bin directory again branches to many directories. You see this. So root directory branches to many directories, bin, etc, etc. Then bin directory has many branches itself. It's like considering a branches of a tree, something like a branches of a tree. The main okay. So the bin directory branches to cat, chmod, cp data, and so on and so on. Similarly, the boot directory, it branches to kernel, system map, etc. Var directory. Var directory branches out to cache directory, which again branches out to application and cache data. So I hope now you are familiar with the Android file structure, same as that of the Linux file structure. So it starts from the root directory, then it branches out, branches again and again. Now in this tutorial I am going to show you only one command. So let's open the terminal emulator, clear the screen. Okay, when you open the terminal emulator, you get something like this. So we want to know where we are at the Android file structure, whether we are at the root directory or we are at the etc or user, cache, we have to know where we are at the Android directory. For knowing our present location in the Android file structure, we use the pwd command. PW stands for the present working directory. I repeat this again. For knowing the position, to know where we are at the Android file structure, we use the pwd command. The pwd command stands for present working directory. So we give the pwd command and we get the output. We get we get the hash symbol as an output. Slash symbol as an output. Slash indicates we are at the root directory. So we start from the root directory. We can navigate through the Android file structure using the terminal emulator and basic Linux commands. The next tutorial I will be showing you two or three more commands, and that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.